Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gym Kitchen Connect. So today is a full body warm up day and we'll feel energized and charged after this warm up alone, and this will be a very good one for the next workout that you might have planned. So the workout structure is 20 different exercises for 30 seconds each, but don't forget to add the cool down and link is already in the description. Let's get started. So let's get started with the first one, which is box shuffle. Just keep switching your legs, keep moving, keep breathing. So these warm up exercises are really good if you have a kind of sitting job. So it's always good to have a warm up before any workout, or even if you're not doing a workout, it's good to have a warm up, at the start of the day. So 30 seconds are done. Let's switch to the next one. So this is lunge and hand rotation. So you have to do lunge with just one leg, continuously with one leg at first, and move your hands. So those hand movements are optional. You can, choose not to do it, but I would suggest you do. So go to your lunge position over and over again with just one leg, using just one leg forward. So 30 seconds done for those. We'll switch to the next one. Same movement, just you have to pick the other leg for the lunge motion. Remember, you are, pointing those hands towards the leg which is going forward. And again, you can skip the hand movement. This is more of a lunge movement. We are working on the legs now. Keep going. And done for that. Let's move to the next one. We'll touch our toes, opposite toes with opposite hands. So right goes to left leg and left hand goes to right leg. Keep breathing. So this whole warm up routine would help you, to get pumped up for the whole day. And this is what I do usually every day before starting on with my workout routine. So that's done. Let's move to the next one. So for this one, keep your legs more than shoulder width apart, about twice, and then go left and then go right and come back. Repeat the motion. So basically you have to push yourself towards the leg. Keep going. Remember, your legs should be more than shoulder width apart for that one. So this next one is high kicks and a hand movement. So your hand comes down and your leg goes forward. Keep going. Do the kicks as much as you can. If you can, put your leg higher up. If you cannot, it's okay. Just go at your own pace. So that's done. We'll move to the next one. So this one is very easy. Again, legs more than shoulder width apart. And stretch your lats. Right and left alternatively. Keep breathing. So with this whole routine, we are trying to work every muscle, every area of the body, so that you can do any kind of workout after this, or not, you will get pumped up anyway. Now, jumping jacks, plain simple jumping jacks. Nothing fancy on this one, but this is a lot faster motion. So just go at your own pace. Keep breathing. We're doing this for 30 seconds and done. So that's done. We'll switch to the next one, which is alternate runners. So you will do 3 times per leg. So this is like a static alternate runners. 3 times each leg, and then switch the leg. Go at your own pace. If you want to go slow, that's perfectly fine. Keep breathing. And done. Let's move to the next one. So you can take a pause if you are tired, or move to the next one, which is front jacks. This is like a regular jumping jacks, but the hands, come forward rather than going up. So just keep going. Go at your own pace. Keep breathing. Probably by this time, you might have realized that we are working, heavily on every part of the body so that we get pumped up for the whole day. So let's move to the next one. So this one, we are touching our hands beneath the thigh. We are pulling our legs up and touching our hands just below the thigh. Try to, pull your leg as much as up as you can and touch your both the hands below the thigh. Keep going. And done. Let's move to the next one. So this one is lateral movements. So for this, you have to, jump right to left and one of your legs goes back. So if you go right, your left leg goes back. If you go left, your right leg goes back. The hand movements are optional, so you can skip those. But remember the leg motion. Remember the steps. Keep going. Keep breathing. And done. Let's move to the next one, which is high knees. Simple high knees. Give your best shot. Keep breathing. Remember, these are high knees, so your legs should come up at least to your hip level. Push yourself. Keep going. We have to be pumped up for the whole day or for the next workout that you have planned. And done. You can take a pause or jump directly to this next one, which is squat taps. So we'll go to the squat position and we'll tap each leg alternatively. So go to your squat position and tap left, right, left, right. This is a bit difficult motion, so go at your own pace. Keep breathing. We are working heavily on every part of our body, so just keep going. And done. This next one is really simple. These are hand rotations. So legs about a shoulder width apart and rotate your hands. Pick a direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So just go in that direction. Keep going. We are doing each of these exercises for 30 seconds only. So remember which direction you are doing right now. So that's done. We'll do the same motion. We'll do it now in the opposite direction. So if you have done in clockwise in the previous exercise, so this time you will be doing it anti-clockwise. Keep going. I know you are a bit tired by now, but just keep going. You'll feel pumped up after this routine and, energized and charged. And it's always good to have a warm-up in the routine. So that's done. If you are tired, take a break or jump directly to the next one, which is butt kickers. Remember, you are kicking your legs back. You are trying to touch your butt with the legs. This is a lot faster motion, so keep going, keep breathing. Remember not to hunch forward, back straight. And that's done. Let's move to the next one, which is fly jacks. Again, like a regular jumping jacks, but the hands go sideways rather than going up. Keep going. Keep breathing. Always make sure you have a good form. Go slow but have a good form. Keep breathing. Never hold your breath. We are almost done with this one and done. So for this next one, I'll pick up a skipping rope. But if you don't have a skipping rope, you can always do the motion without the rope. Rotate your hands and bring your legs up. So just go at your own pace. Keep breathing. And skipping is actually a very good form of workout, and I like to include it in my warm-up. So every part of the body gets charged. So just go at your own pace. Keep checking on your breath. We're almost done and done. So we'll do another round of skipping. Same thing for 30 seconds. So here I am doing the basic one. If you want to do any kind of different form with the skipping, you can do that. That's perfectly fine. Just go at your own pace. Keep breathing. So after this, you are really going to feel pumped up, charged and energized. Skipping is a really good form of workout. So skipping is done. Now the last one is push-ups. We'll be doing this for 30 seconds. Take your push-up position and start. So if you are beginner to the push-up, you can put your legs forward, knees down, or otherwise just keep going. Just go at your own pace. If you can do faster, good for you. If you want to do more slow, go slow. Keep breathing. So I never miss push-ups in my warm-up. It has to be there in my warm-up. It's a must. So push-ups are done for 30 seconds. And with that, this whole routine is done. I hope you liked the video. And if you did like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you next Monday.